Hello and welcome back to word processing demonstration review number 2. Review number 2. Earlier we started the first two videos. We got our way from the download steps all the way through step number 15. So this begins with step number 16. It reads, in the commercial lead document, clear the contents of the clipboard task pane, close the clipboard task pane, and save the document. Okay, so here's a take and look at my clipboard task pane. On the Home tab in the clipboard group, on the far right hand side in the bottom is a dialog box launcher. And there's my dialog and there's my clipboard pane. Mine is currently clear. If yours is not, please click the clear all button. The clear all button here, and then close it. Save your work. And then close the document. You'll be handing this document in later. Item 17, it says open the modern document. Okay, we can do that from within Word by clicking on the File tab and then the Open. And we're going to look for a browse. And there's our browser. I'm going to find it in my download folder, and the file is called Modern. And I'm going to open it. Okay, so there's my document, and I'm going to, item 18, save the document. Click on File, Save As. This is item 18, right? And it's going to be called Modern, CHITECTURE, and please add your last name. In my class, please add your last name to all the files that you will be handing in at the end of the lab. And then we'll click Save. Okay, in the first paragraph, replace Carolina's last name with yours. All right. So we're removing with the delete button and typing in the name. Now remember, the author's idea of a paragraph might be a little different than yours. His is anything that's prior to the paragraph marker is a paragraph. Item 20 reads, adjust the font size, the line spacing, paragraph indents to match the MLA style. Items 20 and 21, they are to do with the MLA formatting items, and I always suggest people use the indent first. The indent will help you see things when it's in single space. Make sure to press the tab key just once, and for each new text paragraph. Now you'll see in the document that there are other items that I am not indenting. And that's because these are not whole paragraphs. This is not a body of text. In MLA format lingo, this is known as a side heading. Right? These are side headings. And we're going to work with those later. Okay, so we're going to adjust the indentation. After that, use Control A on your keyboard to select the entire document so that the rest of these commands apply to every part of the document. In the Home tab, in the paragraph group, we select the line and spacing command and double space all of the document, 2.0. And then the second thing we do is we go back to the same command and look for the subcommand to remove space after paragraph. Remove the spacing after the paragraph. The next thing we're going to do is change the font size to 12. All right, that's the 12 font size. Okay, so that's adjust the font size, line spacing, and paragraph indents. That's item 20. There's one more key ingredient to an MLA style, and that's putting the heading in. So we're going to click on the Insert tab, and we're going to go over here to the page number. I realize that's counterintuitive, but what we're doing is we're going to put in a special style of page number. So drop the page number, go to the top of, oh dear, we've seen this one. It says Word cannot open this template. So what we do is we click on OK, click OK, OK, save our document, try it one more time, top of page, and it worked just fine. All we had to do was save our document and everything worked out fine. Then I click on plane number 3, and what you do is you type your last name in and press the space bar. That's almost all of it. What happens next is we have to make sure that the font size for the page header is the same as the rest of the document. And so you go to the Home tab and choose font size is 12. So all of the text here and in the body of the document is 12-point font. Item 22, it reads, if necessary, select the MLA 7th edition as you need it. Okay, so this has to do with setting up your citations, and this will be the thing we do here. We're going to click on the Heading and Footer tab, and we're going to close Header and Footer. And that's very important because it's hard to work on the body of the text if you're working in the header. Then you go to the References tab and make sure that your style is the MLA style. Okay. In Microsoft Word, they're still on the 7th edition, and that's fine for us. So that's item 22. Please join me starting with item 23 in the next video.